Let's create our first notebook in the app. From the top, going down this pop-up window, you can name your notebook. You can also choose its size from the available options. I'll just stick with A4. Your notebook can either be portrait, like this one. Right now we're in portrait mode, or landscape. Let's stick with portrait mode for this notebook. Freenotes has 4 basic templates for your notebook: plain, rule, grid, or dot. Let's choose the grid. Below your templates, you can choose the paper color. At the moment, it's yellow, but you can change this to white or black. You might want a different color entirely though. For that, go to the plus icon. None of these colors look great for pages. If you keep scrolling, you'll get to an empty palette where you can add a color of your choice. Let's make this color a bit lighter and save this so we can use it again in the future. And you can see it's been added to my color palette. Our lines are not very visible against this color, so we'll use line color to fix that. Red is definitely more visible. Spacing determines the line spacing for your notebook. In Freenotes, it ranges from 1 to 10. Let's create a notebook with 1 for line spacing. This is how it looks. But I think we can improve this. So let's do that. You'll notice that the app automatically saves all the changes that we make to a notebook. So everything we did for the first notebook is saved automatically. So if you like these settings, you won't have to change them. But we want to create a different notebook. Let's change the page and line colors. And adjust the line spacing to 7. Another thing you can change for your notebook is the cover. For the first notebook, we didn't change that. But now, let's make it more fun. Orange looks good. This is how it's looking now. We have created 2 notebooks with different page covers. For your new notebooks, you also have an option to have no cover. And in addition to the basic templates, you also have some education templates. With 3 color options.